You are God, and we are not. Sing Christ our wisdom. Christ our wisdom, be our gladness when we fail to understand. You ordain all joy and sadness to fulfill your perfect plan. Help us know you are with power over every raging flood. In our most uncertain hour, you are God, and we are loved. Christ our wisdom we will follow, though the way ahead is veiled. As we journey through the shadows, grant us faith where sight has failed. Help us cling to your commandments, strengthened by your faithful word. We will never be abandoned. You are God, and we are yours. Sing Christ our wisdom.